question is question number 13. In each of the following figure, find AB and BC if root 3 is 1.732. So in this question, you have to put the value of root 3 is 1.732. So here diagram is given. In this diagram, we have two right angle triangle. One is ABC, another is ABD. Now here you have to find the value of AB and BC. Okay, so here I am taking this BC x meter. Okay, I'll take this BC x meter. Now I will consider first triangle ABC to find this perpendicular. You have to deal with only perpendicular and base, so use only tan. So tan 60 degree turns, tan root 60 is root 3 turns permanently black is equal to root 3, perpendicular is AB, base is BC is equal to root 3. AB by BC is x is equal to root 3. So AB is root 3x. This is equation 1. Now we will consider this triangle ABD. AB is perpendicular, BD is base. So base will be 30 plus x. So again in triangle ABD, tan 45 degree. Here this is 45 and we know tan 45 is 1. Turns permanently black is equal to 1. So AB by BD is equal to 1. AB just now we got root 3x. So put the value of AB root 3x and BD is x plus 30. Now cross multiplication. You'll get this line. Keep x one side. Root 3x minus x is equal to 30. Take x common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 30. Now 30 will be divided by root 3 minus 1. Now you have to rationalize this. Change sign. Then rationalize. 30 into root 3 plus 1, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So 30 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. Now in question it is given root 3 is 1.732. Now put the value 1.732 plus 1. So on addition it will be 2.732. 1.732 plus 1. Add your 0. Then add, you'll get 2.732. So multiplication, on multiplication you'll get 40.98. We got the value of x. X means BC. BC we got. Now we have to find AB. AB is root 3x. So in place of root 3 write 1.732 and in place of x put this value. So 40.98, 70.97 meter. So this is the value of BC and this is the value of AB. Now question number 14. A 1.5 meter tall man can see the top of a vertical building 16.5 meter high by focusing his binoculars at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. What is the distance of the man from the building? Your diagram is given. Okay, this is the height of that man and this is building. Okay, here from here he is observing. His eye will be here, no? So he is observing the top of the building from here and at an angle of 60 degree. So he focus that top of the building at an angle of 60 degree. So when he observed the top of the building, the angle is 60 degree and the height of the building is 16.5 meter. Now you have to find the distance BC. You have to find the distance of this man from the foot of that building. So you have to find BC. So here we have only one right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Do not consider this. So in this triangle, this is perpendicular, right? ED is perpendicular. This is 16.5 and this is 1.5. This is also 1.5. So to find ED, you have to subtract this 1.5 from 16.5. So on subtraction, you'll get 15 meter. So to find ED, you have to do EC minus DC. EC minus DC. So you'll get 15 meter. Now this is perpendicular. You can find easily base now. In triangle EDA, tan 60 is root 3 turns permanently black is equal to root 3. ED by AD is root 3. Now ED is 15 divided by AD is equal to root 3. Cross multiplication, 15 is equal to AD into root 3. Now AD will be 15 by root 3. Again here is root. So we will rationalize, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. 15 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So here the distance of the man from the building is 5 root 3 meters. See, AD is 5 root 3. AD and BC are same. If this is 5 root 3 meter, BC is also 5 root 3 meter. So the distance of the man from the building is 5 root 3 meter. Now question number 15. When a rocket is fired vertically upwards from its launching pad P, first it rises 20 km vertically up and then travel 80 km at 30 degree to the vertical as shown in the given figure. Figure is already given. PO represents the first stage of its journey and OQ represents the second stage. If R is a point vertically below Q on the same horizontal level as P, calculate the height of the rocket when it is at a point Q and the horizontal distance of point R from the point P. So here is the diagram. First, a rocket is launched from P. So first the rocket will rise up. Okay, it covers a distance of 20 km. It rises to a height of 20 km, then it will go in this direction. So it covers 80 km to reach Q. And here it is given 30 degree, but we need this angle. We need the angle inside the triangle, not outside the triangle. So this is 30, this is 60. How it is 60? Because this is perpendicular to this line. This will be 90 degree. If this is 30, that remaining angle will be 60 degree. So this is the value of theta. Now first is you have to find this QR. You have to find the height of Q from the ground, from R. So QR you have to find. Next you have to find PR. So we will use this triangle to find this perpendicular. So in triangle QSO, here we are using cos. Okay, curly brown. Here first we are finding OS. Okay, you can use sine also to find this perpendicular first. Okay, but here I am using first cos to find base. I am finding base first. So cos 60 is half, curly brown here is equal to half. Base is OS and hypotenuse is OQ is equal to 1 by 2. So OS by OQ is given 80 is equal to half. So 2 into OS is equal to 80. OS is equal to 80 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 40s are. So OS we got 40 kilometer. If this is 40, this is also 40 kilometer. Now next we have to find this QS. No, if this is 20, this side will be 20 kilometer. This is 20. We need to find this. To find this perpendicular, now you can use tan. You can use sine also. If you use sine, you have to do some people have, but here I am using turns permanently black because base also just now we got. So tan 60 is root 3, turns permanently black, root 3. QS by OS is root 3. QS by OS is 40 is equal to root 3. So QS is 40 root 3 kilometer. Now this is your 40 root 3 kilometer. Your first answer will be 20 plus 40 root 3 kilometer, because you have to find the height of the rocket when it is at point Q. So when the rocket is at a point Q, its height is QR. So QR means QS plus SR. 40 root 3 plus 20. From here take out 20 common, 20. Here 2 root 3 plus 1 kilometer. No need to put the value of root 3 because here the value is not given. Number 2, the horizontal distance of point R from P. You have to find the distance of R from P. So that is PR. You have to find PR and OS are equal. It is 40 kilometer.